Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a washing machine. But first and foremost, go to my bio, tap subscription button and ring the bell up there to find any notification if I post my video. So today I'm going to start with the dispenser. The dispenser where we put the soap. How to clean this one first. You press this button here and remove it. You see how dirty it is. The solution of how to clean it, you put white vinegar. You see, white vinegar, and then you add a little of soap, dishwasher, and you can add bicarbonate, or it's called yes, you can add the bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate. You add it to the mixture and you put it in a spray bottle. You mix the mixture together and then put it in a spray bottle. So my solution, I put it inside a spray bottle to ease my work. So I'll just be spraying the solution inside the tray, the dispenser tray where you put your Omo. When you put it, you can use a toothbrush that you don't use to scrub inside. So in my case, I'll use a scrubber, this one, like a steel wool, to scrub inside. So after you scrub it, you can see I've scrubbed. You rinse it using water. Rinse the white vinegar. You rinse it. You can see a difference. Yes. You rinse the tray. Rinse it very good, very well. And now I have cleaned it. This is my results after cleaning it. It had stayed for long without being cleaned. So you can see there is good results. It's at least better off. This one, it's there and it's permanent because it had stayed long without being washed. So thank you for listening to me, and thank you for the subscription. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.